Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasalai. So in this video we are going to study about the previous year question paper for DBT BED-JRF examination. In our channel already we had uploaded every information about this DBT BED-JRF examination. If you didn't watch it, I will give the link of the playlist in the description and I'll add as an end card in my video also friends. So the first and foremost step to clear this DBT BED-JRF examination is that we should complete the previous year question paper. So I had made a previous year question paper series, and in this series we will deal with last 10 years of question paper asked in this DBT BED-JRF examination. Okay, and if we well aware about the questions, then next preparation we can go for the highly repeated topic. Okay friends. Okay, along with the questions also I will give you the notes of which I study for my examinations alone friends. And if you study this alone, you can definitely clear your DBT BED-JRF examination. If you subscribe to my channel, then you can able to know the up-to-date information about this DBT BED-JRF examination. So first question is that morphogenetic competence in callus tissue is obtained by. Okay, so this is a basic question, and morphogenetic competence in callus tissue is obtained by a process called dedifferentiation process. Which of the following is not relevant to recombinant DNA safety guidelines in India? So the options are IBSC, RCGM and GEAC NPPGR. So IBSC means Institutional Biosafety Committee, RCGM means Review Committee on Genetic Manipulation, GEAC means the Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, NBPGR means National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. So what is the reason of studying full form or abbreviation? Means sometimes they will ask to what is the full form of IBSC like that friends. So the correct option is that NPPGR because it is a research institute situated in New Delhi. An agreement about regulating both tariff rates and quantitative restriction on global import and export is, they had given option GATT, TRIT, WIPO and PBR. So the correct option is GATT. Okay, so it is a general agreement on trade and tariff. Okay, so definitely we will study about in upcoming videos friends. So gold extraction from mine wastes is carried out by which of the following microbes? So the correct answer is Acidothiobacillus. Studying DBT BED-JRF examination is just equivalent to preparing for your UPSC examination. So where you will start to memorize many things. Likewise, you need to memorize. In CSIR examination, it is mostly an applied kind of things. But DBT, the questions will be directed. Okay, and also another advantage is that questions will be highly repeated. The fluid used as a solvent in supercritical fluid extraction is highly compressed gas. Okay. Gaucher disease is caused due to deficiency of glucocerebrosidase. Okay, and it is an enzyme deficiency diseases and it is an inherited metabolic disorders. The deficiency enzyme is this glucocerebrosidase and it results in accumulation of harmful quantity of fats like glycolipid glucocerebrosidase. Okay, and it will deposit throughout our body. So like this, if you are studying, try to Google what is mean by enzyme deficiency disorders and write down what are the enzymes and what are the other diseases also friends. Due to penicillin extraction process, pH is adjusted to acidic value. So what is the reason for adjusting the pH to acidic value? It is generally to enhance the extraction process of penicillin. Marine bacteria change their morphology in response to their nutrients in their surrounding environment and phenomenon. Okay, so it is changing morphology means it is a paleomorphism. Inanimate habitats colonized by organisms called as epibiont. Lithoautotroph is deriving energy from a reduced compound of mineral origin. Higher version of BLOSSOM can be used to detect this closely related sequences. So bioinformatics, there is around 5% of questions will be asked from this bioinformatics and that also repeated only friends. So 70% of questions will be repeated only. So that's the reason why I am placing previous year question paper as the video friends. Antibody presence in breast milk is IgA. Toxin conjugated antibody molecules are called as your immunotoxin. So you should know about what is meant by toxoid lymphotoxins also. Which of the following receptor is not a signaling receptor? So a cytokine receptor, chemokine receptor, T cell receptor are involved in signaling, whereas your mannose receptor is not involved in signaling. A patient of Graves' disease, which is an autoimmune disorder in which antibodies are produced against this thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay. Most common mode of transmission of diphtheria, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. These diseases are airborne. So the correct answer is aerosol. The fifth human malarial parasite is Plasmodium novelsi. Purpose of adding phytohemoglobin, which is called as PHA, to peripheral blood culture for chromosomal analysis is to facilitate. So it is used in a technique called karyotyping. Okay, and this phytohemoglobin is a potent mitogen. So it is involved in stimulating the lymphocyte cell division, friends. If a man of blood group AB if a man of blood group AB marries a woman of blood group A whose father sorry if a man of blood group A marries a woman of blood group whose father was a blood group O, so just leave these things and all. They are saying AB marries A, okay, two what different blood group, okay. So AB, so his genotype is IAIB. Her genotype is IAIA or IAIO. Okay, if you take this as IAIA, then the possible blood groups are AB. If you take IA and IO as her genotype, then you will get AB. So the correct option is here AB and B, friends. Okay. Cytotoxic T cell generally recognize antigen in association with. So cytotoxic T cell they will associate with class 1 MHC. So already we will deal with the MHC. So class 1 it is encoded by all nucleated protein and it will present antigen to cytotoxic T cell. Where class 2 it will encode glycoprotein which is expressed on surface of antigen presenting cell and it will present antigen to T helper cell. Whereas class 3 is encode secreted protein, okay, and it is involved in complement component and inflammation molecule. Which one of the following amino acid interrupts in helix and also disrupts beta acids? So the correct option is proline. Proline acts as a helix disruptor. Which of the following statement concerning the Edmond degradation method is incorrect? So Edmond degradation we will use a chemical called phenyl isocyanate and which is coupled in the N-terminal residue. And here they are saying it is coupled to C-terminal residue. So the wrong option is this one. So while studying these technique, incorrect means you will remove this particular, at least study other option. Like under mild acidic condition, the modified peptide is cleaved into cycle derivative of terminal amino acid and a shortened peptide. So they are giving a acidic condition. Okay. So this is a keyword and okay, the next thing. Silk fibron disrupts antiparallel beta pleated seeds. While studying silk fibron, study about keratin also. Keratin also, what is the structure of them? Catenine is required for fatty acid oxidation. It is acting as a shuttle. Okay. During DNA replication of E. coli, RNA primers are synthesized by. So the option are DNA B, which is an helicase, DNA G, which is an bacterial DNA primase. Okay, so they are asking which is an add a RNA primase. So this primase enzyme will add a RNA primase. DNA C means it is a loading factor which complex with the C-terminal C-terminal side of a helicase protein and it will inhibit it from unwinding of double-stranded DNA at a replication fork. So this DNA C is a loading factor. DNA A is involved in initiation. Okay, so the correct option is this DNA G. Which of the following antibiotics inhibit bacterial protein synthesis by interfering with peptidyl-transferase activity? Okay, so the correct option is here erythromycin. Okay, ZDNA helix is favored by alternating CG sequences. Okay. Deletion of which of the following gene will result in a permanent lysogenic state of bacteriophage. So if you delete this CRO gene means it will lead to a lysogenic state because CRO gene is involved in lytic cycle. If you delete this particular thing, then lytic cycle will be interrupted and this lysogenic cycle will be persist. Each of the following segmented single-stranded RNA virus with an ambisense genome. It is arenaviruses. Okay. So sometimes they will ask arenavirus is having dash genome like that they will ask. So you should know arenavirus is having a single-stranded RNA virus and it is having a ambisense genome. Which one of the following is a correct statement for active sodium potassium ATPase? So it will pump 3 Na plus ions and out and it pumps in 2 K plus ion. Information for which of the following function is not encoded in the genome of virus. Okay, envelope membranes in the biosynthesis is not coded in the genome of the viruses. Okay, rest of the replication, modulation of host difference, assembly and packaging, everything will be coded by the genome of virus. Order of glucose, H2O, CO2 and steroid hormone according to the ability to diffuse through the lipid bilayer, beginning with the one that crosses bilayer most slowly. So you should know this particular thing, friends. Like hydrophobic molecule like a O2, CO2, N2 benzyl will cross steadily. A small uncharged polar molecule like a water, urea, glycerol will also pass out. Large uncharged charged molecule, polar molecule like your glucose, sucrose will also pass. But your ions like Na plus, K plus, Cl minus will not pass. So the correct option is your CO2, steroid hormone, H2O, urea and glucose. Therapeutic index of sulfonamide is high because bacteria manufacture their own folate and humans do not synthesize folate. Therapeutic index means it is a quantitative measurement that signifies the relative safety of the drug. So these sulfonamides are called as sulfa drugs. They are generally given for treating infections. So this bacteria alone has the capacity to synthesize their folate. Okay, so this sulfonamide will just destroy the bacterial cell alone. They won't interfere with the human because human doesn't produce the folate mechanism. One of the major cause of Plasmodium falciparum resistant to chlorocurine is the amplification of gene called as ABC transporter gene. Dihedral angle pi for a peptide used in Ramachandran plot is given value based on rotation around C alpha she dash bond. So pi is this symbol and this is psi friends. Pi means rotation around N C alpha bond. Psi means rotation around C alpha C bond. Urea and guanidine hydrochloride are potent protein denaturant. They work by binding to the peptide bond of protein. So these urea and guanidine hydrochloride are a denaturant and the mechanism of action is that they will bind to the peptide bond of the protein. In lactopron, a mutation is created so that lactose cannot bind. Okay, at this circumstances, they are adding lactose is provided, what would happen? So here, LACI repressor would be remain bound to the operon, that is operator region of the operon, and it will prevent the expression because there is a mutation is created. As a result, lactose cannot be able to bind. In 1997, Dolly the sheep was cloned. Which of the following process was used? So it is studied in 10th standard itself. Fusion of adult cell nuclease with the enucleated sheep egg followed by incubation in the surrogate E. Animal kingdom group Amniota includes your birds, reptiles and mammals. So amniotes are a clade of tetrapod vertebrates. They comprises of these reptiles, mammals along with birds. Okay, and these amniotes will lay the eggs on the land or they will retain the fertilized egg within the mother. And these are distinguished from an anamniote which are typically lay eggs in water. In evolution biology, biology species concept is based on your reproductive isolation, friends. So up to this, I'm completing for this video. In my part 2, so that is previous year question paper series number 2, will continue with the rest of the questions asked in DBT BJRF examination, friends. So thanks for watching my video, friends.